Order! Order in the court! You 4 lads now have 3 minutes to tell me your story. Everything we hear must be by word or mouth. You may begin.
Well, once for our class assignment, we created a secret invention. That's right, and we done call it the Life Saver.
But our amigo thought we took his idea.
They stole it from us, sneaky little hobbitses. And then our teacher told us,
You shall not pass!
And then she laughed really weird. Then became really angry. And we became really scared.
Well, Raggy. But don't worry, I call for backup.
And the green man showed up with a siren on his horse. But it wasn't a man. Hi-ho, Kermit the Frog here. And it wasn't even a horse. Completely baffled, we grabbed our invention and we ran away. Meep, meep.
But our teacher pursued us by air.
And even by water. And worst of all, by land, she sent a vicious beast. Very vicious. Then we found this hut full of many animals.
We tried to hide inside, but
it was Jabba's hut, and he knew we were alone.
Solo. Then our teacher came, dressed in black.
Her real identity is Darth Necessity. And she wants the invention. And then the chickens started acting really weird.
I see you have constructed a new lifesaver.
Then she spoke to the invention, just a little too personal.
I am your mother.
When I heard this, I wanted to scream and fall over.